Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to open YouTube Inspect Element on your PC. Inspect Element is a powerful tool that allows you to view and modify the code of a web page. So let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening YouTube on your PC. Simply launch your preferred web browser and navigate to the YouTube website. Step 2. Once you're on the YouTube page, right-click anywhere on the screen. A context menu will appear with various options. Step 3. From the context menu, click on Inspect. This will open up the Developer Tools panel, revealing the underlying code of the web page. By following these simple steps, you can open YouTube Inspect Element and access the underlying code of the web page. This can be useful for web developers, designers, or anyone who wants to explore the structure and elements of the YouTube website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tips and tricks.